Now that you've started wearing your hearing aids, you might be wondering how to keep them in tip-top shape. Well, don't worry, it's super quick and you've got all the stuff you need. The most important thing to know, cleaning your hearing aids is a completely natural part of wearing them. Not sure where to start? No worries, we've got you. Let's walk through what to do daily and what to do monthly to keep your hearing aids sounding clear and crisp. Before you tuck your hearing aids into their charging case for the night, take a couple of minutes to clean off the dirt from the day. You'll need your cleaning brush and your cleaning cloth. Step 1. Brush your microphones. Hold the right hearing aid in your non-dominant hand with the push button facing the ground. With the black cleaning brush, brush the small openings or microphone ports on the body of your hearing aid. The first is directly above the push button. The second is near the top of your hearing aid, closer to the wire. While you brush, keep the push button facing down so that any debris falls away. Keep in mind that buildup isn't always visible, so be sure to complete all of the cleaning steps even if you don't see any obvious debris. Now, put the right hearing aid aside and repeat for the left hearing aid. Step 2. Clean your domes. Hold the right hearing aid in your non-dominant hand. Use your cleaning cloth to thoroughly wipe off your dome, removing any debris or buildup. Then, put the right hearing aid aside and wipe off the dome on your left hearing aid. And that's it! Put your freshly cleaned hearing aids in the charging case overnight so they are fully powered, moisture-free, and ready for you the next morning. Don't let the name fool you, because deep cleans only take about 5 minutes. It's best to deep clean monthly to keep your hearing aids in great shape. But what if it's been less than a month since your last clean and you're noticing low or no sound? You got it! Deep cleaning is your first step. What you'll need? Your cleaning brush, your cleaning cloth, your pack of wax guards, your pack of microphone filters. Step 1. Replace your microphone filters. Start by removing one filter tool from your microphone filter case. Hold your right hearing aid in your non-dominant hand with the push button facing up. Locate the 2 microphone port openings. The first is directly above the push button and the second is near the top, closer to the wire. These ports have microphone filters that protect them from moisture and debris. With the filter tool in your dominant hand, insert the removal tip straight into the first microphone port. Pull the tool straight out and the used filter will come out. Then, insert the other end of the filter tool, with the new filter, into the microphone opening. Gently press the new filter straight in and pull out the tool. Now, complete the same steps for the second microphone opening using a fresh tool. Each tool can only be used once per opening. Now, put your right hearing aid aside and follow the same steps for changing both microphone filters on your left hearing aid. Now your microphone filters are fresh and clear to pick up the sound around you. Step 2. Replace your wax guards. Start by holding the gray and red box at the end of your right receiver wire in your non-dominant hand. Pinch, pull, and wiggle the dome off of your right hearing aid. Set your dome safely aside for now. Once off, you'll see your used white wax guard. Next, remove a fresh wax guard tool from your pack. While holding your right hearing aid in your non-dominant hand, insert the black removal end of the tool straight into the center of the used guard. Pull the tool straight out and the old wax guard will come out. Now, turn the tool around and insert a new wax guard straight into the end of your receiver wire. Pull the tool out and the new wax guard will stay in place. Now, put your right hearing aid aside and follow the same steps for removing your dome, setting it aside and replacing the wax guard for your left hearing aid. Now your wax guards are fresh and your speakers are ready to send clear sound to your ear. Step 3. Clean your domes. To clean, hold the domes in your non-dominant hand and use the brush or cleaning cloth to thoroughly remove any buildup. Once both are clean, securely attach the dome from your right hearing aid back onto your right receiver wire. Then, attach the dome from your left hearing aid back onto your left receiver wire. Tug each dome to make sure it's secure before putting the hearing aids back into your charging case. Great job! If after cleaning you're running low on supplies, head to the Store tab in your Jabra Enhanced Select app or to the accessories page on our website so you can refresh your supply of domes, wax filters, and more. Any questions? Our customer support and audiology teams have you covered, but you've got this. Enjoy the new world of sound around you with your freshly cleaned hearing aids, and happy hearing!